Creating amazing product demos is essential, but sharing them effectively is what drives results. Today, we'll show you how to share your interactive demos to maximize engagement and conversion. Arcade is an interactive demo platform that allows you to create, edit, and publish in minutes. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or product, we'll help you learn how to share these experiences effectively. Let's dive into how to share your arcades and drive more engagement with your product story. Let's start by learning how to share an arcade. Sharing your arcade makes it easy for people to experience your product on their own terms. The best part? It takes an average of just 3 minutes to publish your demo. Here's what makes arcade sharing special. Your demos are live assets. This means you don't need to worry about making mistakes after publishing or creating duplicate versions. Any changes you make are automatically reflected wherever your arcade is embedded or shared. Next, let's explore the different ways to share your arcade. Start by clicking the Share button in your arcade. The first thing you'll see is a visibility toggle. This lets you control who can access your demo. Make it public, and anyone with the link can view it. Keep it private, and you can share it just with your team or specific customers. You can even limit access to certain email domains, perfect for internal training or sensitive demos. When it comes to showcasing your demo on your website, embedding is the way to go. Your arcade can live right on your site, in your documentation, or even in your product for onboarding. And because it's a live asset, any updates you make will appear instantly everywhere it's embedded. For social media or email sharing, Arcade has you covered. Download your Arcade as a GIF or video, with preset configurations ready to go for different platforms. Your demo will look perfect, whether it's on LinkedIn or in an email campaign. Next comes the most powerful feature: custom links. These let you personalize your demos in 2 powerful ways. For one-on-one sharing during sales conversations, create a custom link that greets prospects by name and references their company. This makes your demo feel personally crafted for each viewer. And for larger campaigns, the template system lets you personalize demos at scale. Every recipient in your email blast can receive a version of your demo tailored specifically to them. The personalization possibilities are endless. Remember, your arcade is a living asset. You can always update and improve it based on the data you see. Now you know how to share your arcades effectively. Whether you're creating one-to-one sales demos or scaling your product marketing, Arcade provides the tools to deliver engaging, personalized experiences that convert. Visit arcade.software and create your first shareable demo today.